Melanoma is a serious type of skin cancer, and the number of Canadians being diagnosed with it has more than tripled in the past 30 years. Dr. Sapijaszko is here to tell us about Merck Canada's Practice Skintimacy campaign and share advice for prevention and detection. Good morning, doctor. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Kim.
So let's start here. Who is at risk of melanoma?
Melanoma can affect anybody. So all skin shades can develop melanoma. Generally speaking, the lighter the skin, the lighter the eye color or hair color, the higher the chances of developing melanoma. But really, anybody can develop melanoma.
Well, how important is early detection?
Well, the key thing is, with the recent campaign with Practice Skintimacy, the campaign really is meant to inform Canadians about melanoma and emphasize really early detection, because once we have early detection, the melanoma or other forms of skin cancers can really be cured, almost cured. But once the cancer is deeper, then the prognosis is not as good. So the key thing is early detection, self-examination, get intimate with your own skin.
Okay, so what everyday habits can we practice to reduce the risk of skin cancer?
Number one, really, you want to have fun in the sun. That's the key. Dermatologists want patients to have fun in the sun, but you have to be sun smart. And some patients can tolerate a little longer sun exposure. Others, cannot tolerate sun exposure almost at all. So the key thing is try to select a time during a day where activity can be done in the morning or in the afternoon. Try to avoid those peak hours of the sun. Number two, seek shade. Shade could be your own personal shade in the form of wide brim hats, glasses, long sleeve shirt. Loose, flowy clothing will keep you cool during hot summer days. And the key thing is to be careful not to have direct exposure to the skin. If that's unavoidable, then sunscreen SPF 30, which is broad-based, UVA and UVB.
Now, where can we go if we have more questions about melanoma?
Well, in addition to Practice Skintimacy.ca website, there's lots of resources for Canadian, from Canadian Dermatology Association at dermatology.ca, but also a variety, very important patient support groups, such as Save Your Skin Foundation and Melanoma Canada.
Well, Dr. Sapijaszko, I want to thank you so much. This is fantastic information.
Enjoy the sun.
For more information, visit practiceskintimacy.ca. And as a reminder, please talk to your healthcare provider before making any healthcare decisions or for guidance about a specific medical condition.